Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install EV charging controls using Alexa routines step by step clearly. To install EV charging controls using Alexa routines, start by ensuring your EV charger is compatible with Alexa. Download the necessary app for your EV charger on your smartphone. Set up your EV charger by following the manufacturer's instructions and connecting it to your Wi-Fi network. Open the Alexa app on your smartphone. Tap on the device's icon at the bottom of the screen. Select the plus icon in the upper right corner to add a new device. Choose Add Device from the menu. Select the type of device you are adding, in this case, smart plug or smart home device, depending on your charger. Follow the prompts to allow the Alexa app to discover your EV charger. Once discovered, your EV charger will be added to your list of devices. Return to the main screen of the Alexa app. Tap Routines from the menu. Select the plus icon to create a new routine. Name your routine something descriptive, like Start EV Charging. Tap when this happens to set a trigger for your routine. Choose a trigger such as voice, and record the phrase you want to use, like Charge my EV. Next, tap Add Action to specify what you want Alexa to do. Select Device, then choose your EV charger from the list. Set the action to power on to start charging your EV. If desired, you can also set a time frame for the routine to run. Once you've configured your actions, review the routine settings. Tap Save to finalize your routine. To test your new routine, use the voice command you recorded earlier. Verify that your EV charger powers on as expected. Adjust any settings in the routine if needed for optimal performance. Your EV charging controls are now set up using Alexa routines. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.